So I got to figure out how to get this lift table onto my trailer. I obviously don't have a forklift, so I got to get creative with my stuff here. So got the pickup running, gonna go grab the trailer. I'll get the Jeep fired up here and we'll go make this happen. Back out in the shop today. I'm gonna take this four-wheeler lift table, lawnmower lift table that I built. I'm gonna load it on a trailer and take it to my uncle's place. So what I think I'm gonna do is hook it to the back of the Jeep and basically pull it up onto the trailer, let these wheels roll on the floor, and then at some point the legs there will kind of hit the trailer. I'll put a piece of wood or some tires or something under it so they'll slide, and just pull it up onto the trailer. Then when I get to his house, I can just back it off into his shop the same way. I'll let the little Jeep warm up. We'll take the Ford here and go grab the flatbed. Don't have a backup camera in this truck, so gotta do it the old school way. All right, it's hooked up. So what I'm hoping for here is this trailer's long enough to take the Jeep. I'll have to run it clear to the front, and with that table behind it, it's gonna stick off the back. I'll probably have to pull the ramps off the trailer, but that's okay. They're not hard to pull off, but I think that's the only way I'm gonna get it on there. It'd be nice to have a camera person. So the Jeep has a pretty stout, you can't really see down in there, but there's a plate that's bolted to the back with a pipe on it. So that's what that strap's over. So basically it'll keep it from going that way and keep it from running into the Jeep. I'm just going to tow it up on the trailer like that. I'll have to get the trailer back in here, drop the ramps on the concrete. We'll get the Jeep up there. We'll kind of see how it feels. Obviously slow, 4 low. What I might do is lay the ramps for the lift table down, because these ramps are not meant for little tiny wheels. Just break them. So anyway, I'll get it back in there. We'll drop the ramps. We'll kind of see what we got to do. Assessing here and what I want to do. I think I'll put the ramps to the table down on there to get it started up this. I think it's gonna fit. I think the wheels will actually come up here. So yeah, we'll try that. That way it can roll up those ramps. Kind of stinks when you don't have a forklift to just pick stuff up and set it down. You really got to get creative with what you do. Not only do I not have a forklift, I don't have a cameraman. Be nice to have both those things. All right. Doesn't look sketchy. Start up slow. That sound was okay. It's actually coming right up. It's gonna be interesting. We're learning together. So I got going here. I'm letting the air out of it. The tires are going to take the weight. It's already taking the weight off the ramps. So we'll just let it come down. And I think it's going to drop a little bit. Yep. Okay, that's perfect. So I'll tighten that strap and we'll just strap this thing on real good. I can pull the ramps. I can take those ramps off real quick. We'll strap it on real good. And then, yeah, we can get it to my uncle's house. He just lives across town. It's not like I'm going 150 miles or something. It's just 4 miles the other way there. But I am going to run out by the scale, the truck scale. I'm going to weigh this thing and then weigh the trailer and everything again without the table and see how much this thing weighs. So we'll get to strapping it down here and pull those ramps off and we'll go. Alright, we're here at the truck scales. These are a state certified truck scale. So we're going to go across here and see what she weighs. I think my pickup might be too long to go on this. We'll see. Someday I'll learn how to drive. Not today. Calculator. 85,550. That's just the pickup. 4,300. Boy, that Jeep is light. Oops. 85,550 plus 4,300. 12,850. I'm gonna text that to you. just so I don't forget.
Yeah.
12,850. So together they weigh 12,850 pounds, and we'll go unload this at my uncle's place. We'll come back across and we'll weigh the truck and trailer again, and then we'll see how much that lift weighed. So as you can see, it's the next morning here. Got that table delivered last night to my uncle, and went and weighed everything. So that table, that lift table, weighs 700 pounds. So she's pretty heavy, but that'll work. It'll keep it grounded. That way it won't tip over easy. I didn't want to build some light little thing that, you know, it'll lift a lawnmower, but you bump it and it tips over or folds up or anything. So I wanted something pretty stout, but as you can see, I didn't unload my Jeep last night. Left it out here on the trailer behind the brown Ford, and so I got to unload it this morning, and then I'm going to do some work on the brown Ford, but that's for another video, so we'll see you on that one. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.